is Medicaid planning legal and is it ethical in Florida? And the answer to that question is absolutely yes. There are people who are under the misconception that when we are protecting my client's assets, that we are doing something underhanded or secretly, or that we're hiding things from the government, and they think that it might be borderline illegal or somehow unethical. And to that, I tell people that is absolutely not the case. All we are doing is working with our clients and we're using state and federal laws, and we're using it to our clients' advantage. And I tell people not only is what we're doing legal and ethical, but I'm not hiding anything from the government. In fact, when I'm applying for Medicaid on behalf of my clients, and if they come to me with significant assets beforehand, I tell Medicaid exactly what it is that we did with those assets immediately prior to submitting our application, and why still under state and federal law they still have to give my clients these benefits. And an analogy I often like to use is, imagine for a second if you had $20 million in the bank. Well, what you would do in that case is you would go to a tax attorney and you would say, how, Mr. or Mrs. Tax Attorney, can I pay as little in taxes as possible? Legally, ethically, all above board, but what can I do to protect myself and protect my heirs from an unnecessary tax burden? And there's nothing wrong with that. And that's done all the time, that's done every day. I'm doing the same thing, except I'm doing it for typically working class, middle class, upper middle class folks, where if I can protect several $100,000 and let them lead a higher quality of life, that's doing more for those folks, I would argue, than the multimillionaire who's going to a tax strategist to avoid paying, a couple $100,000 or a couple $1 million in taxes. My point is that it's more meaningful to my clients because they don't have $20 million in the bank. So hope that answers the question. I also like to say, I'm a lawyer. I am licensed to practice law in Florida. I like that license, so I try not to do anything that is unethical or illegal or something that we shouldn't be doing. And again, everything's above board, everything is disclosed, and we're only playing within the confines of the law. So hope that answers that question. If you have any other questions about Medicaid planning or state planning in Florida, whether it's to help pay for home health care, assisted living facility care, or nursing home care, please set up a consultation today. Thank you.